What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car discussion channel here on YouTube, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on. And yeah, on today's episode, guys, we're going to be covering B is for builds. We're going to be covering Throttle, Evan Shanks, and a few others as well. If you're new to the channel, guys, as I said, it's just my own thoughts and opinions. I just love to discuss about what's going on in the comments below, so please do, if you pretty please, give the channel a chance. It's free. Just smash the subscribe button, even better the like button. You can always unsubscribe whenever you want. Help the channel grow as a community. You know, as we get bigger, you know, we will eventually hopefully get to getting a project car, and you will be a big influence on building the project car as well. And yeah, we'll just jump straight into the video, no fucking around, because there's no point. I'm sure your time is precious. So straight off the bat, guys, B is for builds. They have continued on with their R35, R34 body swap. Basically what they're doing is swapping an R34 body onto the R35 chassis and engine. And they've been really doing well. Like, they've now already, it looks like they've already gotten it near enough to where they want it to be. Everything's lining up, the fenders, the hood, and stuff like that. Like, they are just doing this from the ground up. It's insane. Oscar's skills, welding and stuff like that is fucking mental. The guy is just ridiculously good, and like, Chris has been trucking along, even though we know some news came out that, you know, he's now been given tablets for his skin cancer. So T's and P's that this works and he gets through it. And you know, he just keeps bringing out great content. I cannot wait to see this build finish. Just in the amount of stuff they're going through build wise, what needs to be welded, the tube frame, the extension of it, just the way the wheels stick out and everything. It's a lot of work for them, but it's just awesome what they do and what they accomplish on that channel. If you're a big B's for build fan, let me know what you think of this project below. How do you think it's going to turn out? What issues do you think they're going to run into? I'm just really enjoying the series, and you know, we're going to start seeing the nitty gritty stuff now really start pushing on, and I'm very excited indeed. Highly recommend, guys, if you're not watching B's for build, definitely check that one out. Next up is going to be Highcade. Again, guys, if you're a regular watcher of my channel, I'm a big fucking supporter of this guy. He does renders for he does body kit renders on sports cars, supercars, and he's one of the best out there as far as I'm concerned. This one for the M4, I agree with a lot of people. These kidney grills on the new M's, new BMWs are fucking horrible, but the way this has turned out is unreal. Like, I just can't get over how well he's gotten the lines, and he's actually made the front so aggressive that it kind of takes your eyes away from the kidney grills, because you're looking at the rest of the angles going, fuck, this thing looks so aggressive, so crazy looking. I absolutely love it. Like, and even people in his comments are like, how have you not been picked up by like Street Hunter Designs or you know, some big YouTuber has not picked this guy up and started getting him building these body kits? Because every one of them, they would sell off the fucking shelves if he started making these kits for the like of Street Hunter Design, for TJ Hunt and stuff like that. So I'm just blown away that nobody's picked him up. He's very close to getting 100,000, and we all know when a YouTuber in the car scene gets over the 100,000 mark, somehow miraculously they start getting recognized by the other big YouTubers, and then hopefully you get picked up. But link in the description below, guys, if you want to check out the video clip. Just absolutely awesome work by him, and let me know what you think of the kit itself and his work if you do check out his channel. Next up is going to be Tuner Cult. Haven't covered these guys in a while, and they basically have just brought, like, their videos is basically ridiculous. It's one of my favorite cars in the world, JDM cars. I'm sure a lot of you out there will agree that these two are the best two JDM iconic cars ever. I've even had one, but they're basically doing a, as we know, it's that time of the year now where, you know, we're all doing their Black Friday giveaway fucking entries. You get 5 times entries for spending this much and all that kind of stuff. And like, everybody's doing it. Like, it's nuts how many cars are up for grabs on Black Friday. They are doing a giveaway where you can win either the Supra or the R34. The Supra is fucking unreal. Like, this engine bay is sick. It's got a full wire tuck or wire delete. It's fucking chrome and polished everywhere. It's purple. The only thing I don't like about the Supra is the wheels. Now, they're HREs. When I see a Supra with purple. I don't go for full gold. I would like to see a polished lip with gold, and that would really set it off for me. But otherwise, guys, check the video out. This is the cleanest Supra I've seen in God knows how long. It's got suede interior. The thing is just immaculate. Carbon fiber everywhere. Rear seat deletes. It's just a massive turbo. I think it's doing 1200 brake horsepower. It sounds sick. And so you can pick between the R34 or the Supra with $60,000 when you enter. You guys in the States, if you're from the States, let me know, because you're so fucking lucky. The amount of car entries you get. Because there's none in Ireland, and here in the UK, because I just moved over, I'll probably start entering one or two from some of the big YouTubers, see if I can win one. But you've so many options to win these cars over there. So my question to you guys is, I highly recommend go check out a video. If you were to win one of these cars, the Supra or the R34, which one would you take? That is my question. Please do answer below, because I know it's going to blow up the debate about the whole RB26 versus the 2JZ debate. I know it's a long debate. For me, I've owned the Supra, I've had one, I've been there, and it's one of my most favorite cars ever. I mean, if I won the lot in the morning, I'd buy one literally like that. Just that car is, for me, just one of the best driving cars I've ever had, even though it's a bit heavy. But that one they have up for grabs, unbelievable. I would love to win a car like that. Imagine you pulling up to a car meet, a car show with that car. You'd fucking just break necks in that thing. Ridiculous. Great video by Tuner Cult. They have some epic 2 cars up for grabs. So if you want to enter it, go and check it out and let me know if you've entered for it or not. Next up, guys, is going to be basically Evan Shanks. Evan Shanks has gone away and bought a BRZ. So the new BRZ is out, as we know. And I basically said it in the previous video that I think the front end, the headlights, look a bit like a 400Z, the new 400Z that's out. But he has put on a new set of wheels. I do like the new BRZ. I don't know, I like it and I don't like it. I definitely like the rear, so does Evan. This basically, with his new wheels, he basically slammed on new wheels in it, and oh my God. Talk about absolute perfection of fitment, like fucking insane. They're heritage wheels, 5-spoke. He put on coilovers, BC coilovers, slammed it, and it just looks perfect. I mean, put on the right kit onto this thing with those wheels, and my God, now you've got a really nice BRZ. I mean, it's just, I couldn't get over how well it looked with these new wheels in it. I love Evan's channel. He does some really good JDM builds, really knows his stuff, and can really pick his fitments and wheels correct when he wants to. This, for me, is probably one of the best set of wheels I've seen on the new BRZ so far. Let me know what you think of these wheels on the new BRZ, guys. Basically, would you get one? I don't know if I'd buy one if I had the money, though. I don't think I would. I've never been a big fan of them. But this one is pretty nice, and the newer, obviously the new spec, you get more horsepower and stuff. But look, let me know what you think about it, guys, and let me know what you think about Evan Shank's channel, and you know what you think of this fitment on this car. Does it look way better? Would you pick these wheels or a different set of wheels? Interested to hear your thoughts and opinions below. Next up is going, or actually last on the list, is going to be Throttle. So Throttle basically have gone, and if you've been watching them, another crowd that have another car up for winning. Actually, even Evan Shanks before this, he has a Golf GTI up for winning as well. Black Friday, it's nuts how many cars are up for winning. They're doing their R35 GTR that is going to be up for grabs. So basically, whatever you buy on their website, you get in by 2 or 5 times, whatever the fuck it is. It's all I've been seeing on most of these big channels, is them, you know, doing these giveaways. So they've gone away and wrapped the car in a blood red. And I really like R35 GTRs. They have a carbon fiber kit on this, and they have it slammed on it. It actually looks really nice. I prefer it in grey. I'm not a fan of the blood red on it. It's just my own personal opinion, guys. I'm really not a fan of blood red GTRs. There's a lot of them. I just don't. It's just, I don't know. Just to me, the red looks very dull and very just kind of meh. You know, it's not standing out to me. I like colours that pop. But again, I mean, like, would I enter it if it was over here in the UK? Fuck yeah, I would. I definitely would enter for it. But I don't know if they're finished with it, but whoever wins that car, they're going to be pretty happy. But if I win that car, I'd be taking that wrap off it. I like it in grey. I think the grey looks better than the red. Would I rewrap it? I probably would, maybe in a different way, different color. I'm not too sure what I would go, but again guys, just that I bring it to your attentions, would you keep the blood red on the GTR if you won it, or would you put it back to grey, and what else would you do to it? But Throttle have been killing it. They do some really good builds. Really like their channel lately, some of the stuff they've been doing, so I just said I'd show you this as well. So that's it for today guys. Hopefully you liked this video. Again, please do, if you're new and you've watched the end, check out my other videos. Please do smash the subscribe button, and all my regular viewers, you know who you are, just keep doing the like squad thing. Hopefully we can hit maybe 8 to 10 likes in this video, and that would be absolutely awesome. And you know, I'll have another video out tomorrow because it's Sunday, and I'll be doing sweet fuck all except just making video for you guys. So until then guys, please stay safe, have a great weekend, and yeah, keep it lit. Peace out and bye.